What's up, buddy boys and buddy girls? JG Adventure here, coming at you with something great today. Today I am back with another entertaining and amazing video for you buddy peeps. You buddy boys and buddy girls have been quite patient for me, and I do appreciate that. Quite patient for the likes of me. Now I've finally devised a brand new edition of a skit I have just come up with. I don't believe I've ever even thought to myself or processed or even fathomed this solution, but this is going to be quite extraordinary. This is going to be quite exciting, and it'll be quite unique. Now, if there's one thing I always know how to do is be extravagant with all of my performances. So today, I'm going to be putting on a skit. It's the mimicry of animal species. So, I'm pretty sure you can guess what this title of the video is going to be named. What it's going to be called, and it's what it's going to state right there when you look at my channel and you peep the brand new video. That is what's going to be up top. So, without further ado, it's time for me to do my thing. But you better keep entertaining. Let's do this.
Alright, everyone. Now, JG Avenger, emanating the sound of a bear. Now, JG Avenger, emanating the sound of a cow. Now, JG Avenger, emanating the sound of a dog.
Hey, bitch boy!
Now, JG Avenger, emanating the sound of a cat.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Now, JG Avenger, emanating the sound of a horse. And now, last but certainly not least, for the buddy peeps, all of his people. JG Avenger, now imitating the sound of a monkey.
Alrighty then, buddy boys and buddy girls. It's been animal mimicry. The one and only JG Avenger, Mr. Entertainment, the Weird Man. And excuse me if I just mumbled a little bit or just froze there. I really just wanted you to gauge even more. I wanted you to engage thoroughly and really maximize your gaze about what I was trying to emanate and what I was trying to create just now. Pure entertainment by my part, although I can do a couple of bonus ones if you would like. But of course, you tell me.
Now, JG Avenger doing a bonus creature emanating the sound of a snake.
That's one. Let's see. What else could I possibly do? Ooh! I got it! Here's the last bonus one.
And now, JG Avenger's last bonus creature emanating the sound of a parrot.
Money, what you making, buddy? Money, what you making? What are you buying, monkey butt? Not a horse with a great impersonation. Oh, yes, he is. Eddie Vinger's the best, you know what I'm saying? I need to get myself some food.
Thank you once again for indulging me. This has been JG Avenger. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Until the next time we meet again, JG Avenger Nation. And I am... Ow!